The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has permeated every facet of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. We rely on AI to personalize our news feeds, navigate traffic, and even diagnose diseases. Yet despite its growing sophistication, AI is not a silver bullet. It requires a steady human hand to guide its development and application. AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, often reflecting our own biases and prejudices, leading to skewed outcomes if left unchecked. Consider an AI-powered hiring tool tasked with filtering job applications. Without proper oversight, the algorithm might discriminate against certain demographics based on historical hiring patterns embedded in its training data. The need for human oversight extends beyond bias mitigation. In healthcare, for instance, an AI algorithm might misdiagnose a patient based on a narrow set of symptoms, overlooking crucial contextual information that a human doctor would readily grasp. The increasing integration of AI into our lives necessitates a deeper conversation about ethics. How do we ensure that AI systems uphold our values and principles? The answer lies in embedding human oversight at every stage of the AI lifecycle. Human oversight is crucial for establishing ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. We need clear principles that govern how AI systems collect, store, and use our data. These principles should prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability, ensuring that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. Authenticity is another critical aspect of human oversight in AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it's crucial to maintain a clear distinction between human and machine-generated content. Consider the rise of AI-generated art and music. While these technologies offer exciting new creative possibilities, they also raise concerns about authenticity and originality. Trust is the bedrock of any successful human-machine partnership. The allure of AI lies in its potential to solve complex problems and improve our lives. However, the transition from theoretical algorithms to real-world applications is fraught with challenges. Human oversight is essential for validating AI systems, ensuring they deliver on their promises, and mitigating potential risks. Before deploying any AI system, rigorous testing and validation are crucial. This involves evaluating the system's accuracy, reliability, and robustness in real-world scenarios. Human experts play a vital role in this process, providing domain-specific knowledge and identifying potential pitfalls that automated tests might miss.